Should I just dispose of it and imagine its presence as permanently absent? No. Should I bury the paw in hopes of no one finding it or knowing of it besides Mother Nature as she attempts to cover it? Or should I just toss away the paw and drown it in the midst of the river's Thames in hopes that the curse will drown with it? Or I'll just bury it with a note attached. Dear Future Prey. So, wish wisely. Willie White, 1909. Hopefully no one will ever find that.
Stephanie, get back to work.
What is this?
Destiny furtively places the chest into her bag.
Are you kidding? How are you always late, Destiny, but you're the first one to leave every day? You know what? Don't come back.
Dear Future Prey, I'm sorry you've come upon this unfortunate moment of false discovery in which my hopes were for be gone deep into the ruins of the earth, stacking soil. Now, as you read this, you may think I'm full of ignorance and credulity, but if you dare to take your chances, and you will see for yourself that I'm no fool. Have you know this isn't just an artifact found in old civilizations or trophy or bone that a paleontologist would stumble upon? No, this was an ordinary monkey paw. This was a monkey paw that can grant not two, not four, but three wishes upon your command. Now, it sounds a bit peculiar and surreal if they found this in a fairy tale, but I kid you not, these three wishes are to not be restricted or limited by me. So do as you please and believe, but I do warn you that these three wishes, if spoken loud and wisely, could come for the worst. So wish wisely. Willie White, 1909.
That's interesting.
Destiny comes home mocking Braden and speaking malignly of him.
You know what? I'll show him. I wish I was never late and instead be on time to everything.
Destiny, you're always late. Gosh, where are you at now? Destiny, wake up.
What happened? Why are you... Oh, no.
Exactly how could you just forget about our dinner date plan? I mean, I could understand you being 5 to 10 minutes late at most, but completely forgetting about me? That really aggravates me. And to top it off, I came home to you fast asleep on the couch. What's your excuse this time, Destiny?
Connor, I'm sorry. I didn't forget about the dinner date. I just had a really long day at work and I was exhausted. I found this monkey paw though. And
That's
it
enough.
grits.
This is a very grave matter. I didn't come here expecting to listen to an excuse full of malarkey. You could have came up with something better. I guess if you don't want to take this seriously, then you won't bother taking this relationship serious anymore. I'll see you around. Goodbye.
Connor, wait. Please let me explain.
No. I'm gonna go find someone who can take this relationship serious.
Wait. Great. Gosh, I wish none of this would have happened. I guess I would look for him and try to explain. Where'd he go?
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You seem oppressed. Are you sure?
I don't really want to talk about it.
Okay,
Lisa
see
jogs
you
off with an
tomorrow.
apathetic
Bye.
facial expression.
Breaking news, Connor Weeks has just been found dead floating down the River Thames. The reason of his death is unclear, and police are not releasing any information on the case.
I wish this day would have never happened.
You got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Baby, you've got a friend in me. You got a pal in me. You've got a friend in me. You got your troubles, well, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. Darling, you've got a friend in me. Now some of the boys might be a little smarter than I am, or bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them is ever gonna love you the way I do. Oh, it's me and you, Lou, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's a destiny, 'cause you've got a friend in me. My baby, you've got a friend in me. Now some of the boys might be a little smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. None of them is ever gonna love you the way I do, 'cause it's me and you. And as the years go by, our love will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny.
Just suffocate yourself.
Okay, okay.
You got friends
Okay, do you know your part?
Alright, so I know I walk in the door and I slam it shut.
Am I supposed to be saying?
Just read your part, team.
Holy crap.
What?
Holy crap.
So this is Destiny's bedroom apparently that I'm walking into.
No, you're just walking to the living room.
Wait, what? What happened? Why are you so upset? Oh no. You don't really
always
have to
try
just be like,
set
what?
it-
What happened?
Dustin, you could always try setting it down here. Just trying to read it off. He moved his back.
Alright, listen to me. I knew about the dinner. I didn't forget. I just fell asleep.
I knew about it, so just be mad.
It's just that there's one day at work and I thought about that. Called the Monkey Paw. Basically,
What do you think about this?
I think James, he needs to get in a good position.
I'm trying to hide from the scene.
Destiny, wake up!
Wait, why are you upset? Oh no. What happened? Why are you upset? Oh no. What happened? Why are you upset? Oh no. I can't.
Exactly, how could you just forget about our dinner date plan? You know I could understand you being 5 to 10 minutes late at most, but you completely forgetting about me? You really are aggravating me now. I mean, first, you forget about me, and then I come home and see you laying down on the couch, passed out.
Listen to me, I knew about the dinner. I didn't forget and I intentionally felt. Listen to me, I knew about the dinner. I didn't forget. Listen to me, I knew about the dinner date and I didn't forget. I just had a very long day at work and I was exhausted.
Wait, can you start this time?
Colin, do you just want to explain what has happened throughout all of this?
So basically, Destiny over here, yeah, her, she basically made us stay, let's see. Oh yeah, 5 hours at Braden's house. Cause she wouldn't stop laughing. Oh, there she goes again.
No. Finally got it a little bit. Battery was an issue, but whatever.
I'm pretty sure that we could have been going this hard.
Destiny took the L like, oh, never mind. James, I would like tackle you right now.
Why?
There's. My name is Lisa and I laugh like Count Dracula. You gonna say something back to that, Colin?
Are you butthurt, Colin?
I am a little butthurt. I got a really mean one.
Okay, say it.
I don't think I can say it.
Say it, right?
Sorry. I can't do it. He just.
Say it. You got it.
Come on, James, hit him with that tennis racket.
I don't have it.
Make Mama proud.
It's in the car. You want me to go grab it?
Sure, go ahead.
Say stop it. Okay, stop. Take my picture. Take my picture.
Break dance. Break dance.
Alright, take my picture.
Dang, chill.
Oh no.
Tommy is so needy.
poison ivy?
Yes. What is going on? What is going on?
Phone's out. That's $15.
You should have fell.
You got that on video?
Yes.
I want to see it.
Get away. Get away.
Get back.
So how do you think it went?
Great. Off that, buddy.
Dude, walking on this
That
hill.
really makes me mad.
Whoa, that's way too close to my feet. Just cool your hot head. Your shiny hot head. Look at that glare on your head. Whew. That was so good. I hate you guys so much.
By my side, so that I'll never feel alone again. And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We've never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dance on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We've never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it, shouldn't talk about it. And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We've never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We've never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it, shouldn't talk about it.
Hey guys, Yarp here. I hope you guys enjoyed the movie. It was really fun making. I couldn't have done it without my friends, Destiny, Lisa, James, Colin, and Braden. They were a huge help to making the film. Honestly, I really couldn't have done it without them. And they contributed so much to the film. Like, it's a no-brainer that Yarp couldn't do it all on his own this time. Oh. Any last words? That's right. That's right. Oh. Deuces.